Hey everyone, so what I'm going to do is I'll just run you through the first steps that Jim did on the videos on how to create the app and how to delete all the unnecessary files that are around, like your first segment and yeah, that second segment. So we're gonna say start new, start new, basic activity, say next, and then we're gonna change the name to note. Okay, what's happening? And whoa, what's wrong with this thing? NoteKeeper. Let's see where I'm saving it. So just say to the okay. Then I'm just gonna create a folder in Git called NoteKeeper. Yeah, and we're gonna open it. Okay, so we're gonna keep this as it says Java, and then I selected the API 28 Android 9.0 version or version 9, and we're gonna say finish, and it will build your application. Okay, so it's completed. The application is built successfully. So before we do anything, we're going to run it just to see how it works. So as you can see, you have first fragment, second fragment. Just run that. Oh yeah, I ran it. Okay, while we're waiting on him to open up properly, resources. We drop down on resources, and you have layouts, activity, content underscore main, fragment underscore first, fragment underscore second. So we need to get rid of these two and those two. Oh yeah, there's another one still, but I'll show you how to find it. Okay, so yeah, here it is. Bam, it works. Okay, awesome. So now we're starting to delete. So we're gonna right click, and then we're gonna say delete, and then just make sure you select save delete, and it will search for comments and strings, and it will also search for text occurrence. So anything that has to do with first fragment, it will look for it and it will find it. Okay, and then we're gonna say view usage. Okay, here at the bottom, save delete conflicts. So it tells us why can't we delete it, or if we delete it, we might run into a problem, and what do we need to do, or what do we need to delete in order to make sure we don't run into that much problems. Now, potentially unsafe to delete references found in code 2 usages. So under apps, as you can see, under apps, we're gonna look for layout, and it's fragment first, which is fragment first. So first fragment, and then the second usage is at navigation, which is the nav graph XML. As you can see, navigation nav underscore graph XML. Okay, so now we know where first fragment is being used. It's used here, here, and here. So we need to delete it here. So we're gonna say run save, say okay, and delete anyway. Okay, so once it's deleted, we go to first fragment here, and then we delete it here. So save delete, make sure that you search for first fragment everywhere to make sure that once we delete it, our program won't run into problems. Okay, tells us it's used under one distance, which is the nav. It's here, navigation, so it's here. Okay, now we know where it is. Run. Okay, and delete anyway. And then we're gonna delete this whole folder of navigation. It'll tell you if you delete this, it's not going back. Delete. Awesome. Second thing we need to delete is going to be the second fragment. So we're going to right click, delete, and select save delete to make sure that it looks for everything that has to do with that second fragment. View usage. Okay, so where is it? It's under layouts, second fragment. Okay, layouts, fragment, second. Now we know where's the second part of the whole code we need to delete. Click on it. Okay, and delete anyway. And we head to second or fragment underscore second. We delete. Okay, so now what we want to do is let's run it and see what's gonna happen. We will crash, I'm sure of that. We're gonna crash, but yeah, it's called debugging, trial and error. Awesome. Yeah, it broke just as I thought it might. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to see why it broke or where it broke. Oh snap, let me just charge this real quick. I'm not sure I've been charging it. Yeah, perfect. Okay, now let's see why it broke. It picks up the nav underscore host underscore fragment. So remember we deleted the nav folder. We were supposed also to come delete it here, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna select it and we're gonna delete it. Okay, let's rerun it and see what's happening. Yeah, installation successful, finished at emulator. So yeah, there's our NoteKeeper without that whole first fragment part here, and it works perfectly. From there on, you just follow what he did in the videos in class, and yeah, you're safe and good to go. But from time to time, I'll upload different stuff like the Android X, how to add Android X into your whole development or into this whole NoteKeeper system or this whole NoteKeeper folder. And yeah, cheers guys, till another time.